Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, let us continue with letter for placing an order. In my last class I discussed one example of letter for placing an order. Today in this video I am going to discuss one more example for the same. You are, let me write the question first. This question was given in the last video also for you to practice. So if you have practiced it, proprietor, if you have practiced it, then match your answer. Those who haven't done, please do it right now. Cosmetics it is. You are the proprietor of a cosmetics shop. You want to place an order for various products. Write a letter to the wholesale dealer. Write a letter to the wholesale dealer. Write a letter to the wholesale dealer placing order for various products in 150 words. In 150 words, you are Sandeep Sneha. You are Sandeep Sneha. You were given this question in my last video also. So I hope many of you must have written this question. Those who haven't written, they can take the screenshot. Now we are going to write this letter. Okay dear students, I am going to rub it now. So first of all dear students, as we know that we have to write the address given in the question. So what is the address given in the question? As a question is not given in the address, so here you can write any address. B67 Karol Bagh, New Delhi. If you know the zip code, you should write. If you don't know, it doesn't matter. Okay. After writing your address, you leave a blank line, then date. That is 21st October 2020. Okay. After writing the date, leave one more line, leave one blank line, and write the address of receiver. So here the manager ABC cosmetic store, whatever it is. Okay, so New Delhi, cosmetic, Chandni Chowk, New Delhi. Okay, dear students, you have written the address. First your address, then you have left a blank line, then date, again you have left the blank line, then the manager, ABC Cosmetic Store, Chandni Chowk, New Delhi, as it is a formal letter, and in all the formal letters format remain the same. Okay, dear students. Now subject, after subject only colon is required. Always here I keep you remind that after subject only colon should be there. Placing an order for cosmetics. Placing an order for cosmetics. As I am not aware of cosmetic materials, so I need to look at the book for various products. Okay, so dear students, various types of cosmetic materials like hair oil, okay, and other face cream, so etc. Okay, so you can start the letter as we discussed yesterday. Okay, as we discussed yesterday, that it can be started with the line that a telephonic talk already done, or you can also say I got your mail. There are so many possible ways for the same. Sir, with reference to the telephonic talk, with reference to the telephonic talk took place on 18 October 2020. Okay, with reference to the telephonic talk, beta should be here, telephonic talk took, T-A-L-K, talk took place on 18th October 2020 regarding the order of the following cosmetic products. With the reference to the telephonic talk took place on 18th October 2020 regarding the order of the following cosmetic products. Okay, rub it now. Here you can also write cosmetic products or cosmetics, both are correct. Products. Products. Okay. Let me rub it now. So with reference to the telephonic talk took place on 18th October 2020 regarding the order of the following cosmetic products. So we are placing an order for the same. We are placing an order for the same. Now the various cosmetic products, you can give first serial number, product, manufacturer, quantity. Okay, serial number, products, and manufacturer, quantity. Okay, number of items. Okay, dear student, so what are the items you want which you want to place order for? So first is cold cream. So let me write the name of the items here. First is cold cream. As you are ordering for various cosmetic products, so which of Nivea, it should be of Nivea, quantity 10. Next is deodorant of which company? Nivea, same. How many? You can give any quantity here. At least 4 items should be there. Powder, of which company? You know, any NXYZ, any. Okay, quantity, any quantity. Hair oil, hair oil, of which company? Clinic Plus, 20. Okay, then shampoo. Okay, here it is not visible on the board, you can write the next item, shampoo, which company? Dove, and quantity. Okay. After that, after placing the order, I hope you have taken a screenshot, or you can pause the video and write down. Now dear students, kindly send me the bill through mail. Kindly send me the bill through mail. The payment will be made online. The payment will be made online. So don't forget to mention your account number and IFSC code. Okay, kindly send me the bill through the mail. The payment will be made online, so don't forget to mention your account number and IFSC code. Okay, dear students, so here you have given all the details for your orders and how the payment will be made. Okay, now let us mention the date till which you want to delivery be made, you want to the item be delivered. Please ensure that the delivery should be made before 25th October 2020 as mentioned during telephonic talk. Okay, as it was also mentioned during telephonic talk. Please ensure that the delivery should be made before, it should be there, 25th October. October should be there beta here. October 2020 as mentioned during telephonic talk. Okay, dear students, thanking you. Yours. Here you have already you had already telephonic talk, so you can write here sincerely. Okay, whatever the name given in the question, what name given in the question, Sandeep, so you can write here Sandeep. You can also write here faithfully, that is also correct here. Okay, but because a telephonic talk took place between you and the dealer, so you can use you had better use your sincerely, but before your sincerely you should leave a line here. Okay, a line should be left. So this is all about the placing orders. We have discussed two letters of same kinds. Now let me show you on your screen the exercises for practice and more ordering letters. so that you won't face any problem writing such letters. Okay, so you will find the various ways to start such types of letters already. Out of them, two types of how to start the letter, two types we have discussed. Let us discuss more ways by which you can start such types of letters, but it should be grammatically correct. The details should be properly mentioned. Don't write unnecessary things. At least 4 items to be ordered. Okay, dear students. Placing an order solved. Letter 1. You are Preeti Sharma, librarian of Army Public School, Delhi. You have been asked to place an order for some books for the school library. Write a letter to the sales manager, Lighthouse, Main Road, Noida, placing an order for books that you need. Okay, so this time we are going to place an order for books, and you are librarian of Army Public School, Delhi. You need to place orders for books. So let us start. So as we all know that, dear students, we have discussed many times. First you need to write your own address, then leave a blank line, after that date. Okay, so these things you know very well, so I need not mention again and again. Army Public School, Delhi, then date, then the sales manager, Lighthouse Road, Noida. Subject, placing an order for books. After sir, there should be no comma. I have told you many times, it is here by mistake, it is misprinting. Okay, dear students, this is with the reference to the quotation dated 18th April 2018. We are pleased to inform you that our management has decided to place an order with your firm. We need books for our school library. We shall not settle for less than 20% discount on the purchase of the books. Besides, we hope to get another 5% special discount that is usually granted to the institutional buyers. So these are the very important points, dear students, which you can use in your ordering letters. Okay, so this is with the reference to your quotation dated 18th April 2018. We are pleased to inform you that our management has decided to place an order with your firm. We need books for our school library. We shall not settle for less than 20% discount on the purchase of the books. Besides, we hope to get another 5% special discount that is usually granted to the institutional buyers. The list of the books with their publishers is attached here. Now the name of the books, publisher name and quantity. First one, Macbeth, William Shakespeare. Quantity you required 4. The Suitable Boy, Vikram Seth, 4. Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen, 4. Wings of Fire, APJ Kalam, 4. History of Modern India, Sumit Sarkar, 4. The payment will be made by check on receipt of the books. Kindly ensure that the order reaches us within a week. Okay, so these things you must mention. Thanking you, yours truly, Preeti Sharma, librarian. So instead of yours truly, you can also use yours faithfully here. Both are correct here. You had better to use yours faithfully. Now placing an order letter. Now the second letter we are going to discuss. It is another solve letters. The more solved examples you will go through, the better ideas you will be able to collect. Sample letters. First one. Write a letter to Messrs. Lakshmi Stationery Mart, Chowdi Bazaar, Delhi, asking them to send their rates and terms of supply of stationery items. You are R.K. Mittal, Office Superintendent, Daulat Ram Public School, Meerut. Okay, dear students, this is the question in which you are going to order for supply of stationery items. So you all know that first of all you will have to write to your address, which is Daulat Ram Public School, Meerut, then date, then the manager, Messrs. Lakshmi Stationery Mart, Chowdi Bazaar, Delhi. After that we all know it is optional, either you can write subject first or you can write dear sir first. It's your choice. Okay, it's optional, so no issue regarding the same. Dear sir, subject inviting rates and term of supply. Inviting rates and terms of supply. You are asking for rates and terms of supply. This time you are not ordering, just you want to know about the product and rates. Later you will apply. This is to bring your notice that on behalf of Daulat Ram Public School, we would like to place a bulk order for the supply of stationery items for a school office and the administrative block for the session 2019-2020. We have selected a few leading stationers for the purpose of supply of these items. We have included your prestigious firm in the list, keeping in view the goodwill it enjoys in the stationery market. Kindly quote your discount rates, if any, which will also help get due weight and consideration. We need the following items with their brands and number of items required. So here now you have given the details. So there are various ways by which you can start your letter. Okay students, for you want pencils HB Natraj 20 dozens, pencils HS Natraj 30 dozens. You need type paper brand Star 20 reams, cyclostling paper. What is cyclostling paper? I have no idea. Okay, Star 20 reams, computer paper Star 40 reams, carbon ribbons course 40 packets and carbon paper course 20 packets. So these are the stationery items which you require. At least 4 items should be there. So you can include the items as per your convenient. It is not like that you need to keep remember the name of the items. As per your convenient, you can write at least 5 items for order. Okay. Let us remind you once again the maximum discounts and the suitable terms of supply will be expected. Please let us know whether it will be possible for you to supply us the above items before 20th June. Kindly let us know the maximum time which you will require to supply all these things. So here, dear students, you are inquiring the rates and the terms and conditions of delivery. Okay, yours sincerely, now R.K. Mittal, Office Superintendent. Okay, so it's all about ordering letters. So here, letters for practice. You must practice all these letters, dear students, which are given here for your practice, as they are very important. Okay, 5 questions are there. Already I have shared this supporting material with you. So page number 62, as you can see here. Okay, so you can open page number 62 and practice and send through mail. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow with a new topic.